Kate here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
So today I'm joined by two very special guests. Say your name.
I'm Claire. Emma.
Okay, and so what are we going to be doing today, Emma?
We are going to be going to DQ. If you don't know what that means, it's Dairy Queen. And we are going to be trying blizzards that people have replied to our story. So,
Yeah. So we put on Claire's Instagram. We'll show you. Okay. And nobody has replied yet.
Nobody's replied so far.
We're hoping for at least 6 responses, so 2 each.
20 have viewed, no one's responded.
And so next time we see you, we will be in probably the drive-thru. So let's get started with the video. 2, 1.
Woo!
Hey guys, so we're in the car now. We're leaving right now.
We got at least like 10 responses and counting. So.
No, we got more than 10.
Oh, definitely more.
So we're gonna go through them and just...
I'll be ordering for us.
We're only gonna get blizzard, so if you said something other than a blizzard,
Sorry
we're
about
probably
it.
not gonna get it.
It's not.
But-
We're just ignoring.
Yeah.
But we'll mention you in the video if we do
Try yours.
Shout out.
So-
yours. So
Alright. Going to get your blizzard. That was very complicated.
Hey guys, so we're in the drive-thru right now. We're pulling up, and Emma is going to order.
Kate, don't make me laugh. I hate when
I won't.
don't videotape the ordering. It's kind of weird.
Thanks for choosing Dairy Queen. Where is the summer blizzard kind of day? What can we get started for you?
Sorry, just letting you know, we have like 7 things.
One of them is a mini banana split blizzard with Oreo and M&M. And then a mini mint Oreo blizzard. A mini brownie dough blizzard. A mini Sour Patch blizzard. A mini Oreo blizzard. A mini cookie dough blizzard. And a mini Reese's Outrageous blizzard.
So we can't actually make Reese Outrageous anymore because we don't have Reese Pieces. You just want us to make it without the pieces.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, your total's $24.30.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's 3.
they were like looking at us as we order. They were like, what the heck are these girls
Yeah, especially because it
doing?
was the same guy that we had last time
Yeah.
when we came here like
We came here like a
2
couple hours ago.
Thank you.
What did they label them or no? Guys, how are we gonna know which is which?
Oh, he's gonna...
Thank you so much. I
Guys,
touched his hand.
I feel bad we got 7 spoons, you know, saving the turtles and all. I
Guys,
feel like
how
we
are
should've
we
only
know?
gotten
How do we
one.
know which
So
set yours done?
we have all the blizzards right here, and we're just
They sit
gonna
back there.
go through and say which one's each one, and then I'm gonna pop up their Instagram right here. Okay, so let's start.
Our first one.
Oreo Blizzard by Isabella Weber.
Okay, so this is the Oreo Blizzard
Pretty
by
classic.
Isabella Weber. Yeah. Oh, yeah, gotta get the Oreo in there.
Not a big fan of vanilla.
Def love Bella.
Preferred chocolate,
Amazing.
but I mean,
It's pretty good.
I'll give it an 8. 8.5.
I def give it a 10. Like, I like it, and I definitely order it myself.
This is usually my go-to, except in like shake form when I go to Dairy Queen, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Thanks, Isabella.
Definitely gonna go in for another. Okay,
Brownie.
next one we have the Brownie Dough Blizzard by Lilian.debiasi.
We love you,
Lily,
Lily.
woo!
Love you
Okay.
too, Lily. Going for the scoop. Oh my god, sorry, it's just like big. Whoa.
Oh,
That was a lot of mush.
9.5 for sure. I like the little chunks that you get.
I'd give this about an 8 just because like it's just so much chocolate. Like
I
it's
love
very-
chocolate.
It's kind of a lot.
I'm also gonna give it an 8 just because I love brownie, but I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate ice cream, opposite of Kate. So an 8 out of 10 is mine.
It's kind of a lot.
Thanks,
It's very-
Lily.
A lot of chocolate. This one,
I love chocolate.
I think this is
This is banana split blizzard with M&M with M&Ms and Oreo?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is from Easton and Jake, so
Yes.
thanks for what's about to be disgusting.
I'll try it. You, I'm afraid.
Ew. Oh, I know. So that's,
Put it in the middle, because it's
Okay, it's
really...
not even that bad. Like, if you try the banana, it's not like
okay,
mushy
you have
or
to
anything.
try to get a little of everything.
Like, the banana's not bad. Like, I like bananas, so like, it's good. Wait, hold on. Let me try some, like, the other stuff in it.
If you could hear me chewing right now, it's like mushy with hard chunks.
Okay, it's not bad, but like all together, like
Don't recommend.
just banana is just not good in a
3.
blizzard. I'd give it like a 5.
I'm giving this a 2 because I hate the texture of the bananas in my mouth with the ice cream and M&Ms. Just
Yeah, the texture's horrible.
not good.
The Sour Patch Blizzard by Sheldon Riley.
And Sean Flynn.
Oh.
So
Kind of afraid. Ew, okay, that's a big bite.
actually, too, Sheldon said not to get this,
Is
but
it
we're
bad?
like, okay, we're gonna get it.
Is it bad?
Ew, what the heck is that texture?
Let me just.
It's not that bad. It just...
I don't like it.
I don't like the like.
I don't.
I
It's
give
like
it a
little-
5.
It's like little balls of Sour Patch Kids.
I hate candy.
I'm
but,
gonna
like,
give it a 3 because I don't like sour ice cream. Like, I'm not.
I'm
just
gonna give it a 5.
Okay,
not
genuinely, I'd give it like a 2. This one's by Ryan Doyle.
Okay.
For the kill first.
Pretty classic. I think I'm gonna like it.
I don't really.
It's not bad.
I like
usually
mint.
don't. I don't.
So do
usually
I. I like
my
mint
ice
too. It's
cream.
not bad.
Mmm. Tastes like a thin mint.
I like it.
Mmm.
Yeah, I don't like that at all.
I love that.
Yeah, I like it. I definitely
Mm.
do.
All right.
I give it like a 7.
I give it a 10.
Actually 8. No, actually, I give it a 10 because I would definitely order this and it's really good.
I'm gonna give it a 5, just because I'm not a fan of mint ice cream. I never have been.
See, I've never
so.
really like. I like mint
10.
and I kind of like it, so like I definitely.
Wow.
All right. Okay. This one. This is the Cookie Dough Blizzard by Casey
I'm
McCarthy
scared.
and Owen Eamon.
Classic.
Classic, good choice. Sorry, everyone. There's some creepy dudes.
No. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Roar.
I don't like it.
Roar.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Vanilla ice
I'd
cream.
go for a 10 out of 10. I'm down for like cookie dough and vanilla.
Yeah.
Just like 20 minutes ago when we hit a deer, give me a headache. Ryan Opry said Reese's outrageous.
But they
Blizzard.
didn't have.
That was really cool the way you like flipped your phone like that. Okay, I'm literally about to pee my pants right now, guys. So, I can smell the peanut butter in it.
Definitely a 3.2.
Definitely a 0.
Wait, where is that?
Definitely a 0. I hate this so much.
So much
Reese's
peanut butter.
outrageous. Okay.
I just personally hate peanut butter, and that was disgusting.
Gross.
I could never. Ugh. It's kind of salty too, and I don't like it.
9 out of 10.
Okay, I know my
Actually, yeah.
favorite. My favorite is the mint one.
I definitely.
For sure.
I
gonna
definitely
eat that
liked the
entire
mint
thing.
for sure too. It was really simple, and I really enjoyed that one as well.
My favorite was the regular Oreo Blizzard. That's just my
Lame.
classic go-to. So, yeah.
Really good.
So I'm really glad you guys watched this video. Hope this gets a lot of views. Leave a comment down below what you think I should record next, and give this video a big thumbs up. And
Oreos right
give it a thumbs up for these two girls right here, because they're pretty awesome.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
And
Bye.
thank you to all of our people that responded to.
My story.
Her
Thanks.
story.
I
Thanks.
appreciate it.
So you guys will I'll leave all the people that got
Your socials.
your socials down in the description box below. So bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.